In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Flodesk form to your Squarespace website. This is a straightforward process that will help you seamlessly integrate your email marketing with your website. So let's dive right in. First, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you open your browser, head on over to the Squarespace login page and enter your details. This is where all your website management happens, so it's essential you're logged in to access the necessary features. Next, for a smooth and quick login, proceed by clicking on Continue with Google. This option will save you time if your Squarespace and Google accounts are linked, allowing you to bypass the need for manually entering passwords. After you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here, click on your website. This action will take you to your site's main editing interface, where you'll perform all the modifications needed for adding the Flodesk form. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one. Now, to begin editing your site, navigate to the site configuration by selecting the Edit button. This option will unlock the interface, enabling us to add content to your website, similar to how you would edit a document. Once in the editor, you're ready to add a new component to your page. The next step involves adding a new block to your page layout. Click on Add Block. This action is crucial as it allows us to insert different types of content into the Squarespace page, in this case a code block. Content blocks are what make up each page on your website, and they can be anything from text, images, or in our case, embedded code. Now choose the code block option. This block type is specifically designed to include custom code snippets onto your website. On your Squarespace page, locate the small pencil icon associated with the code block. Clicking on this will allow you to edit the block and input specialized code. With the code block ready, it's time to input your Flodesk form code. This embedded form code is something you would have generated using Flodesk's platform. Paste this code into the space provided within the Squarespace code block. Make sure it's correctly copied to ensure the form functions as expected on your site. Before finalizing, preview your form by selecting the Preview in Safe Mode option. This step is vital as it allows you to see how the form will look and function on your live site without actually publishing it, preventing any potential errors from going live. Lastly, after confirming the form appears correctly, click on Save, then Preview. By saving your changes, you're ensuring everything is stored and reflected in the live version of your website. Review the outcome one last time to ensure everything is working perfectly. And there you have it, your Flodesk form is now successfully integrated into your Squarespace website.